Hi, I'm Sabrina Soto. I'm an interior designer, mother, author, podcaster, and a seeker of everything I can find for a better life. I obviously have been on TV for 20 plus years doing makeover shows. I've done hundreds of homes, but I think what most people don't know is that I also have a podcast that has nothing to do with design. It's really just sharing all of the tips that I have found throughout going through so many different things in my life, all of the healing that I've done, and sharing the vulnerability of the traumas that I've been through. I have a lot of new thought teachers that come in and share their ideas and tips. I feel like being vulnerable and sharing these different sides of me have really built this connection with my followers. I actually started the podcast thinking no one would ever listen to it, and it became one of the top ranking podcasts on Apple, which I'm so happy that people are resonating with these topics. But I think it's because people are looking for a connection. And at the end of the day, I just love to show people how to create a more beautiful life. And I came from absolutely nothing. Both of my parents are immigrants. And I've created such a beautiful life for my daughter and I. And I just want to teach other people that they can create a beautiful life too. There is a connection between your home, your physical health, and your mental health. And I want to show people that your home has energy, you have energy. And once you raise the energy and both your physical, mental well-being and your physical space, it all sort of comes together. I love to be able to show people how they can create a better life in a really easy way. That's my passion. That's what drives me.